We tested the most popular blenders on the market, and here are the ones that offer the best value for money. And if you are interested in any of them, their links are right below the video. Top 3. The most powerful single-serve format, NutriBullet Pro. Provided with a simple 700 milliliter plastic cup, this model is designed for 1 or 2 people at most, and not a full family. A ring is also included in the box to allow drinking your smoothie directly from the cup. Assembling the blender is very simple. Just screw the blades onto the cup and flip the cup onto the base. It features a power output of 900 watts, as well as 6 stainless steel blades. During our tests, we noticed that it was one of the highest performing models on the market despite having only 1 speed. It took only 15 seconds of blending to prepare a smooth smoothie, whether using frozen ingredients or not. On the other hand, we were surprised to read in the instruction manual that the cup's plastic is not very resistant. The brand indicates that this blender cannot contain foods above 21 degrees Celsius and carbonated drinks. You must therefore keep in mind that you cannot use this model to blend soups, for example. Regarding maintenance, it is also slightly less practical than others since its blades cannot go into the dishwasher. Only the cup and its ring can be placed inside using a program of maximum 50 degrees Celsius. Regarding noise, it is one of the loudest blenders we tested. At 40 centimeters, it emitted up to 89 decibels when blending frozen fruits and 85 decibels with fresh and soft foods. In short, it is very effective, but makes compromises on various points to stay at an affordable price. Top 2. The most compact and portable Ninja Mixer Slim. This model comes with 2 470 milliliter BPA-free plastic cups. Inside the box, you also find 2 spout lids so you can take your preparations with you, as well as a recipe book. During our practical tests, it proved fast, taking 10 seconds to blend frozen fruits and 20 seconds to make a fresh green smoothie. Both smoothies offered good texture, and we even found that the red one, made of bananas, frozen strawberries, and frozen blueberries, was slightly smoother and more consistent than those obtained with other blenders at the same price. However, this 700-watt motor may be limited for blending truly tough preparations. Despite its lightweight, the device stayed firmly in place during use thanks to its suction feet. To start it up, you simply screw the support with the 6 stainless steel blades onto the cup, flip the cup onto its base, and press down. Only 1 speed is available. Regarding maintenance, the cups, lids, and blades are dishwasher safe. Finally, we note that the noise level emitted is high, 89 decibels for frozen fruits and 86 decibels for soft foods. In short, including 2 470 milliliter plastic cups with lids, this blender is practical for couples or families wishing to take their smoothies and other preparations on the go. Top 1. The most family-friendly and healthy, Philips 5000 series. This blender features a large 2-liter graduated glass pitcher. Its actual capacity of 1.5 liters allows for making preparations for a whole family. In addition to that, a plastic water bottle is included in the box so you can take your drinks with you everywhere. The graduated lid is convenient for adding precise amounts. A plastic tamper is also included with the purchase, but we are less convinced by this item as it risks wearing out quickly. The blender's 4 blades are made of stainless steel and are detachable, as is the sealing ring. When these blades are combined with the powerful 1,200-watt motor, they deliver great blending results. Fresh fruits, frozen fruits, vegetables, everything was blended quickly during our tests. When preparing a green smoothie made of apples, kiwis, and spinach, it took only 15 seconds of blending at maximum speed to achieve a good texture without chunks. For the red smoothie made of bananas, frozen strawberries, and frozen blueberries, chunks still remained after 10 seconds. But the drink achieved a good texture after just 20 seconds. It is possible to adjust the power across 3 levels and use a pulse function to adapt the blending to the type of food. Note that this blender is quite heavy and does not move at all on a countertop during use. Its assembly and disassembly are also very simple. For maintenance, all components except the base can be placed in the dishwasher, preventing injury risks from manual cleaning. Finally, the noise emitted at 40 centimeters at maximum speed is average, we measured a maximum of 87 decibels when blending frozen foods and 84 decibels with fresh foods. In conclusion, thanks to its glass pitcher, this model has a healthier design than average and also offers a much larger capacity of 1.5 liters. It is therefore very suitable for families. And those are the best blenders of the moment. As a reminder, if you are interested in any of the models, you will find their links with their best prices right below the video.